Hello everyone, this is Sandy An. YouTube channel name is Hanja Bible. Yeah, we are going to learn Korean Hanja and Chinese traditional and simplified Hanzi. Yeah, 4,000 characters. This is the first character. Dot zu, dot zu. Yeah, we can learn easily and quickly. I'm gonna take the method of education, just like Korean ancestors have taken for their children. Yeah, in a symbolic way, through hidden meanings of each character and some biblical ways of thinking. Yeah, as an interpretation method. Okay, the first character, Datsu, we are going to look at together. I have already opened a Korean language lecture channel separately. This is an English lecture channel. So through this slide, you can see the index. Okay, in this numbering order, we will learn each character one by one. Okay, so you can learn Korean Hanja and Chinese traditional and Chinese simplified at the same time with its pronunciation. Standard Chinese pronunciation, the simplified character reading method with pinyin and tone numbers. Okay, so through these lectures, you can study all Chinese and Korean Hanja characters at the same time, easily and quickly. I hope so. The first character, dot, zu, yeah, tone number 3. Uh, the shape is like this, all same. It's one stroke, radical. In Hanja and Chinese characters, there are 214 radicals. Okay, you may know that. And the meaning, I set the meaning of each character in a symbolic way and the signatory way of interpretation. Datsu in Korean, we read it zu, zu, very similar pronunciation. Yeah. In Chinese, zu, yeah, zu, just like this, the shape of the tone number 3. But in Korea, dot means jump, and we pronounce it ju, yeah, ju. If you want to learn Korean language, you can have a little bit of the idea of each Korean Hanja, okay, how to read it, ju, okay. But if you don't want to learn Korean language, never mind. Okay, anyway, this is an English lecture, so let's focus in English. It's the meaning or shape of one small dot. Yeah, that's the way of interpretation. And the dictionary meaning, there is another character meaning dot. Yeah, more complicated uh, character. You will learn this character later, but the pronunciation is dien, the same tone number 3. Will be explained later. But the dictionary meaning is a small rounded dot, a spark, wick, a candle wick, for example, put a dot. But in this lecture, hidden meanings of each character is much more important. In Korean philosophy, traditional philosophy, we have the concept of Cheonjiin. Cheonjiin meaning sky, earth, and man. just like this. Yeah, sky, earth, and man. So in Hanja and Chinese characters, there are same concept. There are same concept of Cheonjiin, sky, earth, and man. So this dot means the first character of the corresponding Cheonjiin, yeah, dot, yeah, meaning the sky. These Cheonjiin three fundamental characters consist constantly in reciprocal circulation, transportation, and communication among them and each other. So let me explain the hidden meanings. The beginning, start, sky. Yeah. The first character of Cheonjiin, sky. You can imagine heaven, the creator. Depending on your religion, uh, you may have the name of the creator, your God. Yeah, also, the hidden meanings are light, life, energy, a small seed, and a small thing. So please try to remember these hidden meanings of dot. Okay, and this dot stroke changes in characters. For example, here dot is shaped like this, but in other characters you can see like this. Uh, People don't teach this shape of characters separately, but this is also a dot. Yeah, from up to down dot, from down to up dot. There are two types of dots in these characters. For example, meaning small shall has differently shaped dots here. So please try to remember dot, the stroke changes in characters. I will explain it in each character when it comes up. Okay, and the next issue we are going to look at why dot 2, why this dot has the tone number 3 value. Why? I have said in a separate lecture why each specific character has its own specific tone number value. Yeah, I have described the conceptual notions of each character has. So, uh, for example, each character has one or two or more values of concepts here in this box. That character has the concept, the value of tone number 3. So the meaning was shape of one small dot, yes, small, the value of small. So tone number 3. Okay, I have lectured about this tone number value principles, okay, separately, so you can refer to that later. And I have also added some Bible verses for your learning in words, okay, in Korean and English King James and Chinese Union Version, Simplified Union Version. So you can learn your language and Chinese language through these words as well. Okay, so uh, what do you think about this teaching method? This teaching method has been taken by Korean ancestors for more than maybe 1,000 or 2,000 years, I guess. So this is my first time to lecture in English, but I will upload, continually upload every day, so you can learn Chinese characters and Korean Hanja at the same time with Chinese characters pronunciation and Korean pronunciation as well. Okay, thank you very much for your listening, and see you next time.